Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna be doing a WebGem Twist unboxing today because I just got it in the mail. Let's get started. I'll cut that real quick. Okay, now I'll just go pull the box apart real quick. And, oh, that's a lot of bubble wrap. Okay, so we got some bubble wrap. Best part, 100%. You know your teachers at school. And then, we got some big bubble wrap. So it's gonna go, boom! Okay, here we go. Here's the real thing. Oh, it's a metal box. That's nice. So, let's just toss that over there. So, here's the WebGem Twist tin box. This thing is so nice. It's like metal and stuff. Okay, so let's just pull this over here. Okay, let's take it out the box. So, it just pops off like that. Got me some nice little paper. And look at this, it's so professional. It says the WebGem glove form. It's nice. Not for everyone. Okay, so then, next I'll pull out the towel. I heard from YouTube that these were really soft, and they were right. These things are so soft, they're so nice. So, like, this thing could be used for so much more than just a glove. I love this thing. So, got the bag now. It's black and neon green, says Twist, the WebGem glove care system. It's got a handle, it's got a clip, it's got the clip and Velcro. It's very good quality, and even this, the little flap. So, put this aside real quick. Got the twist form. This is exactly how I like my gloves. I like them like curved around like this and curved like that with a thumb flare. So this is perfect for me.